Expand the capabilities of the XT-3000 with our array of attachments. Whether it be countersinks, 90-degree, large drills, step drills, or brad points, we have the attachment that's right for your cutting tool needs. All attachments are fast, easy to use, and easy to install right onto your XT-3000. Your machine and attachments are hand-built in Ashland, Oregon, and carry a 1-year warranty backed by the best customer service in the industry. Visit Darex.com to learn more.